If your child is struggling with spelling, this video is for you. Watch to the end as I show you how I teach my child, 3-year-old, how to spell CVC words. So, number 1, if I ask you to spell dad, the first thing you do is to do what? You pronounce dad, so that you can be able to hear the sounds in the word dad. So now you ask yourself, what are the sounds you hear in dad? What are the sounds you hear in dad? What are the sounds you hear in dad? Good. So what you do next is what? You draw your line according to the number of the sounds you hear. Like this. Look at me. Look up. The. Then you write the sounds. The. Dad. So number 2, ham. What are the sounds you hear in ham? What are the sounds you hear in ham? Be audible. Ham. Good. Ham. So the next thing you do is to do what? You draw the line. Ham. Number 3, sad. What are the sounds you hear in sad? I don't know. Segment sad. Sad. Good job. You sound clap for yourself. So you draw a line. Sad. Sad. So number 4, if I ask you to write has, you do what? What will you do? You segment has. Segment has. So you draw the line. Has. Segment dam. You sound clap for yourself. So you draw it like this. Dam. Are you seeing it? So you do it. Dam. So if I ask you to segment wax. Again. Wax. Good job. So how will I write it now? Wax. How will I write it in dictation? So I will draw what? 3 lines. Wax. Then what of if you are asked to write number 7 now? If you are asked to write Sam, what will you do? Sam. Good job. A sound clap for yourself. You do is Sam. Look. You will soon write your own. Sam. So number 8 is for you. Write for me heart. Segment and write heart. So you first of all segment heart. So heart. Again. Heart. Good job. So you now write it. You draw your 3 lines, then you fill it with the sounds. Be fast, oh. Here. So you write it. Write heart. Write now. Write well. You're writing heart. Good job. A sound clap for yourself. So the next one, I will tell you to write. You write man. If you're asked to write man. Number 9. If you're asked to write man. So write man. Segment and write man.
No. Man.
Said man.
No.
I write it. Write man.
No.
Right.
No. What's the
Right now. You're writing man. So what should you write there?
No.
Good. Can you write the word sad? Segments and write sad. Sad.
Do.
Segment sad. Start from the beginning sad.
Do.
Good. So you write it there.
Do. Do.
No, that is bo. Write do. Write do.
Do.
Right. That one is bo. Write do. Stroke up well. Is a dull letter. Good. So you are stopping here for now. Like, comment, subscribe or follow us for more educational videos like this. Thank you.